Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be replying to a question: what is the best way to approve one Adsense account from a blogger? Now, you can apply from a blogger, you can apply from a domain, a hosted domain or a paid domain, and I'm going to find the cheapest way possible. And I'm also going to show you how to apply from your blogger, but also how to be accepted quick from your blogger using some other tricks. Now, let's go to the blogger.com first of all, and this is the domain that I have created. Okay, and we got all the posts and everything else. So I don't want to sort of explain a lot of things and make it confused for you. I'm just going to go straight to the point, basically. So just go to the settings in this case, or if you click on earnings example, you got orange button to apply. Now, new blogs, Google is not going to give this permission for user to apply. It needs basically a couple of months to see that you're posting the content, and then you're just copying from somebody else, but you're posting some content that you really like yourself and you enjoy doing it. Once you do that, it's going to give you a button basically to apply. To apply, it's easy. Just sign up for Adsense. It's going to take you to a page where you need to put all information about yourself, about your blog, about what type of content you have and all that. Once you sign up, then basically that blog is going to go for review and then be accepted. However, I find another trick, another better way basically to get accepted straight away into the Adsense without having to apply directly from your blog. You can go directly to your, let's say, Google Adsense. So google.com/Adsense and then apply from there. Okay, so you can go and apply directly from there and fill up the form. But in this case, you apply as a website, not as hosted, which you have a blogger. Blogger is a website that Google owns it basically, and then is a hosted, which means it will be your domain name.com/blogspot.com or .blogspot.com. In this case, it tells you is a subdomain. It's not a real domain, it's a subdomain. So that's the difference. So when you apply, basically, chances are slightly less, basically, or not good enough as to have your own domain or to apply from your own domain. So what way did I use myself? What you can do is go to the settings, and then as you can see yourself, what I've done is I bought a domain, a very cheap domain, sometime 99 cents you can buy, or less than $1 basically from Namecheap. So I bought it, and what I've done is I have connected this blog with my domain. So now, instead of going to the blogspot.com, which is example the domain name.blogspot.com, it goes directly into the domain. So let's just go and view that. And this is what it shows basically in the URL up here. It does show the domain.com instead of subdomain, which is the one in there. So what you do is you go and create an account with them. Once you create an account, I have uploaded another video to show you how to connect. I'm not going to show you in this video, but I just want to tell you how to do it. And then you connect your blogger with this domain. If we go in edit, we can see that once you add the domain, Google is going to give you a few details basically to add into your hosting. Once you add these details to the hosting, the blogger will be connected, and then instead of, as I mentioned, going to subdomain, which is domain name.blogspot.com, it goes directly into your domain. This is how you do. So if you apply, then once you do this, you don't need to go to earnings and apply from your blogger, but instead you can go directly into google.com/Adsense or /start, and you can click and apply directly from there. Example, sign up, and you can sign up for one Adsense account. Chances to get a full Adsense account, it's much better using this way, as when you get hosted Adsense for content, remember, or if you apply from your blogger, you're going to have a hosted Adsense for content, which means you cannot place ads in other websites unless you're going to have to apply with that domain. Well, if you apply from your domain, which is, very cheap, I bought it here, then basically that means if you want to add another website and another one, or another YouTube channel, you can do that because there are two type of AdSense account. Or actually, there are three types, sometimes even more. But the two types that you got to remember if you want to apply from your websites or YouTube is hosted AdSense for content and AdSense for content. AdSense for content, it means you can apply directly from your website URL, which is your hosted website URL, and host AdSense for content, you can apply from your Blogger or from your YouTube channel. That's the difference between them two anyway. So I've just shown the trick, basically how to use and apply and get this done. What you do is that this particular website is hosting only your domain. It's not hosting anything else except your domain. Well, blogger.com is hosting your files. You can upload images, you can upload videos, you can upload, other content you want to add, and it's going to host you. And with Blogger, remember, or with Google, you have unlimited really sources that you can add into your blog without having to worry basically that you have reached limit or something else. So this is the connection you do, and once you have this connection, then you can go straight away and apply. So again, let me just repeat a few things. You can either apply from your Blogger, which I don't really recommend because you'll get host AdSense for content and you are more limited to what you can do with your AdSense account. Or you can apply directly with your domain by just buying a very cheap domain, basically with Namecheap. And once you buy the domain, then you can apply directly into the AdSense account, which is AdSense for content, instead of hosted AdSense for content. I know it may be a bit confusing. If you are beginning, you might find even more, and I do apologize for that. I'm just trying my best basically to explain how the difference between AdSense for content and hosted AdSense for content. So thanks for watching again this video. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and share, and thanks again for watching and have a great day. Thank you.